how are you doing? I hope everyone is doing fantastic. Well, to the people who are watching me for the first time, my name is Sandra and welcome to Sandy's World. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the love and for your support. So guys, today's video, in the last video I did the Kongoya cloth haul, and I mentioned at the end of the day, I mentioned that like anytime I buy an outfit, I always have to give out. Like I pack everything and I give them to the people who are in dire need of clothes. So in this video, I'm going to sort out my wardrobe. Like my wardrobe is a mess right now. So I'm going to declutter everything in my bed, in my wardrobe. I arrange everything. I sort out all the clothes I need, like anything I don't need or anything that I've not like worn for like a long period of time. I do that. So right now I'm not even sure. I don't even have my watch. Stormy, I'm telling you, being a dog mom is kinda. So right now it's at 10:30. So I feel like I have 1 hour till I continue. I was working and stop. Yeah. He's eating his food on the carpet and I don't like it. Yeah. So I'm going to do that. Let me show you how my wardrobe looks first. Yep, so guys, that's how my wardrobe looks right now. Guys, just look. Yeah, especially that row looks. Yeah, this one is way better. This is now where I'm going to start sorting out all these clothes. I sort them and then I'm going to put all the clothes I'm giving out, and then yeah, we're going to see how this is going to turn out. Yep, so guys, we are done with this. Like I've just put like all the outfits that looks kind of the same. I've put them like in the same hanger. Yeah, that's how it looks. This one is done too. I've put crop tops, work t-shirts, home t-shirts, my swimsuit, and all these are tops and everything else. So now I have this mess. I need to sort out this mess. And look who's here. I need to sort out this mess. I get to understand like where am I supposed to put the skirts, everything. And guys, I'm already tired. Hey, this is a lot of work because I also have to sort all these because I feel like I have a lot of clothes that I don't wear. So guys, we are actually done. So these are all my shorts, my work shorts, and like kind of go out kind of shorts. These are my home shorts, my skirts, and here there are some rompers and the dresses that I normally wear when I am indoors. Yay guys, just look at that. I'm actually like kind of now like in love because the last person who did this, the last person who arranged all these was my sister. So like I used to have like a lot of trouble trying to see if I'm looking for a specific outfit, where is it. But right now, because I'm the one who has now arranged it, it's easier for me to like get the outfit I need without making a mess, because it's easier. Yeah. So now let's go and try, and I'm going to show you now all the clothes that I'm giving out, and yeah, we can call it a video in a few guys. So guys, as I have mentioned, I have actually just finished everything. I've already like arranged it, so I'm going to show you all the outfits I'm going to give out, and the whole giveaway will run until the next time I'll post another video. So probably on Saturday or Sunday. So yeah, let's do this. So first, I'm giving out these skirts. That's how it looks. I actually love it, but I feel like yeah, it's time I should like. Yep, and then yeah, so you can wear these skirts like the way you want it. You can actually, it has like a lot of options. You can style it. Normally when I used to wear it, I used to normally do it like with a crop top. I can do them with sandals. You can do them with heels. yeah, they're actually good for going out, like if you're going for a picnic, if you're going for a friend's day out, if like your friends have come up with a theme and you need something to do with luck and everything else, yeah, it's good. Also giving out this dress. It's actually an official dress, but this dress I've actually worn it once, but it's big. It's big for me. Yeah, guys, it's super big. So I actually did like wear it once, and then I'm like, okay, I just like I had to give it out. It's actually a size 7, and I normally do size 5 or 6. So that's the second dress. The third dress is this. This dress I was actually gifted by someone, but again, it's big. It's big. It's like it's no hand, and it's actually below the knee kind of a dress. It's not short, and I love it, but it's big, and it's not one of those dresses that you can take to the tailor, get it extended according to your size. It's not, because I tried, but I feel like it's time I have to part with this. It's big for me, guys. I don't know, there's a time I wore it and I did a picture. I'll put the picture if I can be able to trace the picture, and then you can see. So I'm also giving it out as much as, yeah, I was not planning to, but it's life. The fourth dress I'm giving out is this. I love this dress. It's actually on your hand with this bow. It's not too short, not too long. Yeah. Actually, let me show you how this. No, I'm actually not in a mood to wear dresses right now, because yeah, that's how it looks. The material is really good. I love it. But yeah, it's time I part away with it. And then I have this dress. The summer dress. This is a summer dress. Flowery, short, kind of. I'm also giving out this dress. That's how it looks. Yep. That's how it looks. Well, actually, I'm also giving out this official blouse. I actually wore it once. But then my work don't make me to wear blouses, because we normally have our work t-shirts. So I'm giving it out. It's actually, I love it because it's so light, but then it's life. You don't get always what you want. I'm also giving out this another work blouse. Yeah. I'm giving them out. And the last one I'm giving out is this top. It's a lace top. It's a lace top, guys. But I have like big arms, so it's normally short for me. Guys, it's super short for me. Yeah, and I prefer to do them. So guys, those are the outfits I'm giving out for this time. Yeah, so comment down below what you want, and from there I'm going to reach out, and then we're going to organize how you can get your outfit. Yes guys, so I think that's all for this video. Guys, I'm running late because I have a meeting at 12 and it's almost 11:30, so I need to dress up and go for that meeting. So guys, comment down below and tell me which dress or which outfit you want, and I'll find a way for you to get the outfit. But guys, for the time being, allow me to end this video here. Make sure you like, you share, and you subscribe. I have no idea where my baby is. Stormy, stop. I have no idea where he is. Come. Oh God, guys, he's big. Look at him. Guys, he's so big. Say bye. Stormy, say bye. Yeah, he was drinking his milk. So guys, make sure you like, you share, you subscribe. Oh God, I made him play for. So guys, make sure you like, you share, and you subscribe to this channel and join the fun. Bye.